Real quick, I'm going to show you how my friend Mark Furness has been making over 10K a month on TikTok using TikTok's new affiliate program. Now, really important, this is only applicable to certain countries. I'll have the countries listed on this video now. Okay, pause and check if your country is available. So I'm going to show you, he's going to show you exactly what he's doing. He started in October, and I've been following and tracking his progress on Facebook for a while now, and I asked him if I can borrow his video so he can show you exactly what he's doing to profit on TikTok's new affiliate program. The best part is, all you need is TikTok. You don't need any websites, any other tools whatsoever. And second, you don't have to show your face. He has students doing this without showing their faces using what are called no-face videos on TikTok. So watch this video in its entirety. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello and welcome. So on the screen here, you can see it says day 40, £2,075. I'm in the UK, so that's UK pricing. Then you'll see here that equals $2,614. Now, this over here has been a recent case study that we have done in the university. We've documented the whole thing. I mean, look at the jump here. On day 28, we'd earned £1,000. Fast forward a few more days, 12 days, we've earned £2,000. The numbers of this have just been ridiculous from the whole thing, literally from the whole thing. This case study over here, we started this, and you'll see here where's it gone. By day 2, we'd earned our first commission. It's ridiculously simple, okay? So the method we're looking at today, and I shared a video with you all on this, I think it was about 2 weeks ago when we looked at this video, when we looked at this method, is this over here. It is the TikTok affiliate program. And I keep mentioning this and sharing, videos here and there and mention it over on Facebook because in all the years I've been online, earning an income, I've never seen anything this simple. I genuinely haven't. My son, who's 10, is doing this method. He had his first $100 day last week. It's ridiculous, okay? And how this whole method works is it's basic affiliate marketing. So what that means is, you can see over here, I'm on the TikTok shop. You find a product that, it says on here, find a product to sell. You're not selling it, you're promoting it. You're sharing a video around a product, okay? And then once you've found a product, you can add that product into a video. If somebody buys that product, you earn a commission, okay? Now, traditionally, this method is known as user-generated content. So basically, you're creating content normally on your phone, okay? And then what happens is you would create a video on your phone and you would upload it onto TikTok. Now, this is where this method gets a little bit different to traditional methods, okay? You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to speak. TikTok will even make the videos for you, which I know you're probably thinking sounds absolutely ridiculous, but it's genuine. I'll come over here. In the case study here, you can see, look, how to get TikTok to make the videos. I'm going to make this a bit bigger so you can see the process, okay? And I'll try and mute the video just so you can see how simple this is, okay? Click on it. I'm going to mute it. So this is what it looks like, okay? So I'm just going to go along and find where we're actually inside of here. So this is what it looks like in the back end once you're inside the TikTok shop, okay? And you can see down here it says Video Maker. But this is literally the whole process of what we was doing at the start of the case study. We would go up here, you can see, into the TikTok product marketplace. And you can see here, look, earn £1.50 and £4.80. You can earn different amounts of money depending on the seller and the commission rate that they have set, okay? But all you do is you go into the marketplace and you find a product to promote, okay? So let me just see if I can speed this up. So here we've selected this here. That's a mop. And £1.50 per video, okay? Then here, we press the button and it goes through. Everything you type in here will go into the video. These little options here where it says selling points, if you press the tick button, it will add those over the top of the video for you. And then, literally, let me just skip this process here for you. So you can see here, look, TikTok is now creating the video for you. They even include, you can see down here, add a call to action sticker. Click on that. So then, you're not on camera, you're not speaking, TikTok makes the video for you, they add a call to action in here, and they put the affiliate link in the video. It's ridiculous, isn't it? And here's the thing, down here you will notice we've got 6 different options for videos. So it will create 6 different styles of videos for you. And then it has text in here, it has a call to action, you can have stickers and other bits inside of here. But once it's done, so that's the video, once it's done, you can post that video on TikTok, and it includes your affiliate link. Basic affiliate marketing. No email lists, no websites, nothing. And this is literally the process. And that's it. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So in the case study, we covered this. So with this method, by day 2, we don't our first commission. You can also get free products, and we've had quite a number of them since we started this method. And yeah, this has just been, it's been an unbelievable case study, to say the least, okay? Now, this over here, this method, although it's basic affiliate marketing, it is essentially user-generated content, because that is what it is. And this is whereby we're starting to see lots of companies and brands and businesses, instead of doing the traditional marketing, paid ads, spending time building websites and running promotions, a lot of people now are going down this option over here, which is user-generated content, because they know they can reach a bigger audience for a lot less cheaper, and they could be getting more awareness and more sales. For us as creators, it's awesome, because if I scroll down here, it's what did I say? It's awesome. Yeah, it is awesome. It's awesome for the simple fact being, once you get this method up and running, you're doing basic affiliate marketing, you're earning money. But then, come back over here, come further down the page here, get free products. In their TikTok affiliate program, there are thousands of sellers who are literally wanting to give you their products completely for free. Once you get the product, you do a video. Do you have to be on camera? No. Do you have to talk? No, you don't. You've just got to create a video and feature that product in it. And then what happens is you get your affiliate link from TikTok. It goes into the video. You post the video. And then guess what? You can be earning money from that video that you put onto TikTok, and you get to keep the product. It's insane. It's absolutely insane.
Before you go, don't forget to pick up Mark Furness's TikTok program down below and get my bonuses, my custom bonuses. Check out the link below. Make sure you get in. The price is going up, okay? So I don't know when exactly he's gonna shoot the price up, but you want to get in before it gets too expensive. See you inside.